Hello everyone. For comprehensive cleaning in commercial spaces, meet the GS3680 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It's set to transform your cleaning operations.
Powered by three 1,200-watt motors, the GS3680 delivers a robust 3,600-watt power. It offers incredible strong suction, efficiently handling both wet spills and dry debris. With a professional dust removal partition and high-efficiency filters, it achieves double-layer filtration. It can filter 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a clean and healthy environment. Crafted with stainless steel body and metal frame, it's highly durable and impact-resistant. The 80-liter large capital container can be titled for easy waste disposal. The front PU wheels and rear rubber wheels ensure smooth and quiet movement. With an 8-meter power cord and a 2.3-meter hose, it offers flexible for long-range cleaning tasks.
The GS3680 wet and dry vacuum cleaner, a powerful, efficient, and reliable choice for commercial cleaning. Simply for your cleaning tasks with GS3680.